Hello everyone, so today we'd like to learn about the Anchor tag, right? How to link our web pages together, right? We want to traverse the internet and also our website, so we want to the users to move from one page to another, right? So let us get started without further ado. So here is the boilerplate I've generated, right? So you can start and generate your own boilerplate, right? Then from there we start learning about the Anchor tag, which is a tag that is very fundamental, right, when it comes to the world of web development. Why? Because it enables users to be linked or to be redirected to different websites or web pages, right, within a certain website. So most of the developers, they actually use this most of their times when developing websites, because without this we can't move from one page to another, right? So I've created two files, the about page file and the contact page file, and these are the files we are going to be linking, right, as we are demonstrating how to use this particular Anchor tag, right? So in order for you now to create the Anchor tag, as I was mentioning in the previous videos, I mentioned that HTML is a very simple markup language, and you just have to understand the tags and how to use them. So to create an Anchor tag, you just type, right, this, you just type A, right, which stands for Anchor tag. So for now, let me remove this. So this is how you generate, or this is how you create an Anchor tag, right? So in here, in between these, the opening tag and the closing tag, that's where you write the name of the link. For example, I can say about us, right? So now the about us was printed on the web page. So I'm using Live Server, and go ahead and install this Live Server, right? Then your content or your output will be outputted automatically without refreshing the page. So now this is how you create the Anchor tag, right? And now our Anchor tag text content was outputted, but now this is not functional, and now if you click it, it won't work. Why? Because we left a very important attribute that we must put, that links, right, or that enables us to give the URL, the uniform resource locator, or the path in which we wanted the users to use and go from one page to another. So the Anchor tag we actually use is called href, and this actually stands for hypertext reference. And this enables us now, in between these quotes, enables us now to create, to put the link, right, of the page you want the users to go. So if you see, once we put this particular attribute, now our link is functional, right? But if you click it, right, it won't go anywhere. Why? Because it needs the path, right, to go to, right, or to direct users to. So now, since I've mentioned that I've created the about page, so let me say about.html, which is the page I've created. So now we've provided the path, which is this one, in which this link follows and directs users to that particular or to that specific page. So now our link is complete. Now we have the complete element, right, that actually links our about page, right? So now our link is now functional. So if we click it, right, it directs us to the about page, and as you see, my about page. So this is our about page. Then within that about page, right, I've created also another Anchor tag or another link, right, that returns users to the home page, right? So if I click it, right, home, it returns back to home page. If I click about page, it goes to about page. So now we're navigating the website, we're going from one page to another. So basically that's how we create Anchor tags in HTML5. So let me create another one, right? Now we want to go to to the contact page.html, right? So this is going to be contact us, right? So this is the contact us page we've created. So if you click it, it directs us to the contact page. Then there is another link that returns us to home. So the user can go to about page, return back to home, go to contact us page, and return back to home. So now it becomes easier for our users to navigate from one page to another within our website. So basically that's how we create anchor text. So there are, I've talked about this, right? I've talked about this attribute as it is important and it is required. So without that, our link will not work. Then there are other also important attributes that we can use. For example, we can use title, we can use download, you can use target, you can use this hypertext reference. So this one we talked about this. Let us talk about the target, right? So this target attribute actually works this way. For example, we don't want our users to be disturbed. For example, if they click a certain link, we need that page, right, which is being referenced to open on a new tab, right, within the browser the user is using. So for example, we wanted this about page to open a new tab for us, so we can just say target, right? If you say target, so we just say blank, right? So if we say blank, now if you click this particular link, it opens a new tab for the users instead of opening within the page, right, in which the users are currently looking at. So if you click the about page, now it opens a new tab for us, right? If you go back to home page, right, and this one is the first tab, and this one is the tab that we've opened. So if we remove it and if you click again, it opens the new tab for us. So it's basically the functionality whereby the user can click a link, then they can be redirected to a new page, then they can view the page, right, they are looking for. Then also we can use download. Perhaps want to download that particular file, so we can just say download, right? This can work without even putting a value. We can just put this attribute download within the first tag. So this, if you click this contact us, right, the browser downloads this file for us. So let us go and click that, and you see at the bottom here the file was downloaded for us. So that's basically how we use this particular attribute. And also we can use another attribute, which is title, right? For example, if I say title, perhaps I can say this, okay, let me just say contact us page, right? So if we hover over this particular contact us page, you see the tooltip that is popping up. So this enables the users to see where this link is taking them, right? For example, if I hover over this particular link, right, you see the pop-up contact us page as a title of that particular link. So the user now enables the user to be aware about the link, and he or she knows that if he or she clicks this particular link, he or she is going to be directed to the contact us page. So basically that's for beginners. These are some of the very important links that you can use, but bear in mind that this one is very important. You might not use these ones, right, according to your preferences, but this one is very important, because without this one we cannot create the link. We cannot link different pages within our website. Then also we can even link not within we cannot even only create internal links, right? Or we can not only link our web pages within our website. So we can link even outside websites. For example, I can say, let me copy this particular link, right? If I copy that one and paste here, so this is Unsplash. Let me just say free images. So this website actually provides us with free images. So if we click it, it takes us to that particular website. So this is the link. So if I click that, you see we've been taken to this website that actually provides us with free images we want. So let us return back. So we can not only link pages within our website, we can also link other external resources. For example, this particular website, the users can move from one website to another, which is very great and very fantastic. So basically that's how we create links in HTML5, right, to link different pages within our website and to link even external resources. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been understood.